sitting in the corner, bro. You got him.
There's one more.
Don't get me, Happy. Don't get me.
Need pistol.
Oh, one
Right
punch.
here.
Gato. One on one.
Gato, go!
Good shit, Gato. One more. Good shit, Happy.
Kill him.
You got him.
Yeah.
That's
Nice
teamwork!
goal.
That's team motherfucking work!
Nice goal,
Finally.
Happy. Good shit, Gato.
Finally! Oh shit. Gato, I need to pick up. It's on the back. It's on the back.
Get that medic.
Take a machine.
No, don't shoot. Don't go over there.
Pick him up.
This on the other side.
Reviving you.
It's on the power plant. That apartment.
Ultra One, we're seeing increased activity in the area. Stay sharp.
Oh.
Anybody got ammo box? Oh, never mind. I got one. Here.
Anybody have extra cell revive box? Cell revive?
No, I don't. But we can go buy you one. We can go buy you one. We should happy.
You can still shoot us, so watch out.
Happy, I got you a large backpack here.
Focus.
You want a large backpack or not?
Take it. Focus first.
It'll cost you 30% tariff, okay? Poppy Trump said, you better give me my money with interest on Monday.
It's close.
That battery?
Planting mine.
No, the whole squad?